Hello, everyone, all of you. I extend my warm welcome and wishes to all of those people, all of you who have completed their JavaScript journey and bid a farewell to JavaScript and joined the venture of this Java journey. Yeah, this is really nice seeing all of you here to know a little bit of programming. Not a little bit, you are good at programming, you know JavaScript, all those concepts really well. And now you want to embark your coding journey with Java, right? So I'm here for you. I'm the new instructor for this blog, myself, Ejaz Ali Khan. And I was also a student at Masai. After that, I joined as an IA, then I became PI. After that, right now, here I am as an instructor. So the very important thing that I want to point out here is, see, you are transitioning from JavaScript to Java. So no need to worry, no need to fear. Uh, just some syntax will change, but the basic core idea will remain the same. The logic will remain the same. You just need to focus on a little bit of what syntax, and you will adapt to it really quick. Do not worry about it. Do not bother so much that how will I do? Java is so difficult. One thing I want to make it very clear is that, see, the learning path for Java, it's a little bit of steep, okay, but still the reward is high, right? Java developers are paid more in average in comparison to JavaScript developers. I hope you know that. But in order to get that opportunity, in order to grab that opportunity, you have to be really, really skilled in Java. So that's why you have to put a little bit of extra effort and show some dedication and passion towards it. We have a really, really well built architecture here. You have instructors, you have IA support, you have PP sessions, stand-ups, all of those things. Leverage those things and what get try to get more and more benefit from those things. Do not let them go in waste, okay? And I know you have already talked with so many seniors about it and how these things are going or what, but I just want to make you really sure about it that you don't need to worry about it. By the end of this block, by the end of this block, you will be much more comfortable in Java, and you will be writing your codes in Java very much comfortably. Like you will be solving those DSA problems. Till now you must be solving in JavaScript, but from now on you will be solving in Java, which equal with equal comfortability. That's not an issue. And by the end of not this block we will be focusing on core Java, on the main core Java, which is the most important part for interview, surprisingly, right? Core Java is basically what consists of like us 50 to 60% of the interview for a fresher. You guys will be giving the interview as a fresher, right? So that's why this core Java is really, really important for you folks. You need to be very much attentive and you need to pay full attention here, okay? Because this is something which is really important. And after that, in SB 101 or SB 21, wherever you go, this thing is the foundation, this thing is the base. If you are lacking concept, you don't get any concept here, then you are going to face so much trouble, okay? So said that, let's move to the notes and start. Okay, I hope my screen is visible, right? First of all, what is Java? Java is a programming language, right? And I have heard many people saying that Java and JavaScript are same, with a little bit of difference. Is that correct, guys? What do you think? No. Java is an entirely different language than JavaScript. JavaScript is a different language and Java is a different language. Okay. So, and Java, Java is, see, I've written it here. Java is a powerful language. The reason which is most of the application, regardless of which sector it is, are built using Java. Java is everywhere. Okay, Java is everywhere. See, maybe it be it banking sector, IT sector, software development, stock market, financial, social media, much more. So opportunities are endless. Guys, opportunities are endless. You can be desktop GUI, application for mobiles, embedded system, web applications, application servers, web servers. See, so many things are there. You can learn Java just once and you can do so many things. And another importance and another benefit that you will get by learning Java is like Java really gives you a good understanding of how this low level language like C, C++, how these languages work. Once you get to learn Java, then after that, picking up any other language will be very much easy. You getting my point? Unlike JavaScript, Python, these languages are they are far what can I say? They're far distant to all those languages, all those traditional languages like C, C++, those kind of things. I'm just saying, if in case in future you want to adapt, you want to pick any other language, be it any other thing, it is going to be really, really easy for you if you know Java. Yeah. So opportunities in Java. Java is the most stable programming language in the world, I can say, because it's been there for so long and it has maintained its space, its position. Like after that, so many new languages came, so many languages vanished, but still, this language has maintained its position, its spot. And Java developers are, see, backend developers. You can be a backend developer, cloud-based solution, and in many hot and trending tech niches like IoT. Do you know what IoT is, guys? Just food for thought. Tell me, पता है? What is IoT? Type in the chat. Yes, IoT is Internet of Things. अब वो Internet of Things क्या है? What is Internet of Things? We're not going to cover it in this course, but just but just I want to tell you that you can use Java for IoT and big data. Big data is also a trending technology. It is trending niche, not technology. Java has come close to 10 million developers worldwide. So worldwide, 10 million developers and 3 billion mobile phones run Java. Most of you must be using Android phones, right? So in the Android phones, all those apps, majority of those apps, like 90 to 95% apps that you're using, they're built on Java. Okay, they're built on Java, which means more opportunity for us to get hired as a professional programmer. Okay, in this course, basically we are going to talk about backend development. We're going to talk about backend development, like mostly Java is used for, but see, mostly Java is used for enterprise level applications. And this huge applications, their backend system is quite complex and they need to be secure. And Java is very much secure. And we will get to know about it in what we'll get to know about it in this lecture only. But Java is really secure. And wait, by the end of this course, you will be able to make those APIs and you will be able to handle all those backend system, complex backend system for huge enterprise level applications. Isn't that interesting, guys? Isn't that interesting? You will be able to make all those API calls like Facebook level. Yeah, you will be able to make those Facebook level social media backends, not that complex from the very beginning, but something like that. I hope you are getting. some of the idea what I am trying to say, like e-commerce apps, banking apps, so many things you can do. You will be doing all those things in the construct week as well. This construct week, it will be very much what very much it will be dependent upon what your DSA improvement. And from next unit, in from SB11 and SB21, you will be making projects, these interesting projects. Okay, now moving to the next part, intro to Java language. So Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is an object-oriented programming language. So guys, do you know what is object-oriented programming? Guys, do you know what is object-oriented programming? Yeah, object-oriented programming is nothing but just a paradigm of programming. It's just a style of programming. People can do functional programming and they can do object oriented programming. So object oriented programming involves classes and objects. So Java follows that one. uh, you must have done something like that in JavaScript also, but I want to say that JavaScript is not an object oriented programming in true sense, but Java is very much like object oriented programming. Okay, and the Java platform provides a complete environment for application development on desktop and server and deployment in embedded microsystems environments. Got that? Now here is a little bit of history. History किसको नहीं पसंद बताओ? No problem. It's actually quite fun. See, Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995, and later in 2010 it was acquired by Oracle. So now Oracle owns Java. See, this point is really interesting. When James Gosling was inside its office, and there was an oak tree. Oak tree. Oak tree किसे कहते हैं यार? Let's search. Oak tree. I don't know. किसी को पता है oak tree को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? Guys, what do we call a oak tree in Hindi? Okay, oak tree in Hindi. अरे, strange. Oak पेड़. क्या ही explain कर दिया भाई. Great. Okay, no problem. Oak tree. I hope you got that. So there was an oak tree outside his office. So first of all, he named the language oak. After that, it was renamed to green, and then it was renamed to Java, inspired by the Java coffee. That's why its logo looks like a cup of coffee. See, isn't that interesting? That's quite fun. Okay, so what are the different features of Java? Like, see, Java is robust, object oriented, portable, simple. Let's talk about it one by one. It is simple. You got that. Java is really simple, clean, easy to understand. Object oriented. Okay, so it supports all the OOPS characteristics, and you can use those classes, objects, all those things here. Portable and platform independent. This is quite important. See, let's say you have written the code in and what iOS. Okay, let's say you have written that on Mac. You have written a Java program on Mac, but after that, you can run that code in Windows as well. You can run the same code in Linux as well. That's what's called portable and platform independent. Maybe you have written the code in Windows and you will be able to run that one on Mac. You will be able to run that one on Linux. That's why you can say write once and run anywhere. Voila. We can compile the Java code once in an operating system and execute it on another operating system. Okay, I hope you got the basic idea. We will get to know about it later. We'll get to know in much more depth. It is platform independent, it is secure. Java is very much secure. I want to make it very clear that when it comes to security, Java is at par. Okay, Java is at par. That's why all those financial apps, finance sectors, and banking apps, they use Java. You will get, you will see most of those hiring partners and most of those companies which use Java, they are from banking sectors, they are from fintech sectors. Okay. Okay, so that's one thing. It is robust, very good exception handling mechanism, and garbage collection also very good. And it is multi-threaded. Do you know what multi-threading is? Okay, no problem. We will get to know about multi-threading in the next unit. So Java supports multi-threading to enhance performance by using this. We can execute multiple functionalities like for we can create different threads, and to different threads we can assign different tasks. Okay, thread 1 do this, and thread 2 you have to do this task. We can assign different tasks to multiple threads, not just two threads. We can create as many threads as we want. Okay, now coming to Java JDK or Java SDK. What is JDK? So JDK is the thing which is the implementation. Okay, Java Standard Edition comes in the form of specification, and implementation of this specification is JDK software. So what is Java Standard Edition? We will get to know. Okay, so JDK is the thing which we need in order to write Java code and run it. Got that? So JDK software is basically, this is Java development kit. It has JRE and it has some dev tools. Then again, inside this JRE, we have JVM plus some library classes. Got that? See, I've written it here as well. Okay, cool. Now, let's download this JDK. We have to go to this website, this link, and you can download it from here. Okay, here options are given. You can download it. It is for Linux. You can go to this Windows and you can install it. 64. Okay, this one. Java 19 is also there. I'm seeing it first time. Till now, Java 17 was there. Java 19 released. When did this release? I have no idea. Okay, no problem. So basically, install this one and try to install the Java 8 version as well, because Java 8 is mostly used and we are going to use, that doesn't matter actually, but still, okay, just try to install both. And after that, uh, Java editions, right? Java editions, we're talking about those things. Okay. JDK is an implementation of any of the, why am I fumbling? JDK is an implementation of any of the below given Java platforms released by Oracle Corporation. See, there are three editions, like one is Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition, one is Java Enterprise Edition, one is Java Micro Edition. So Java Standard Edition is basically what we call core Java, and it has all those core Java APIs, those generic APIs, and a few special APIs as well. But all those core Java, we can say that belongs to this Java Standard Edition. And the next two, like this Java Enterprise Edition and Java Micro Edition, they're built up in this Java Standard Edition. Okay, Java Standard Edition is the subset of these two as well. So Java Enterprise Edition. What is Java Enterprise Edition? Java Enterprise Edition is like Java Standard Edition. Plus, in addition to that, we have some kind of special APIs and runtime environment for developing and running large-scale, multi-tiered, scalable, reliable networks. network application. Just give me a second. Just a second. Uh, Okay, guys, sorry for the disturbance. And then Java Micro Edition. What is Java Micro Edition? It is basically the what Java Standard Edition. Plus, it has some other things as well, like you have seen those mobile phones, sensors, microcontroller, all those small chips kind of things. It runs on those things. Okay, Java Micro Edition. So in this course, we are going to talk about Java Standard Edition and Java Enterprise Edition. We're not going to talk about this Java Micro Edition. Okay, this is beyond our scope. And then JSE is basic foundation of the remaining two other edition. The latest Java version is Java 19, which was released. I will update it later. Don't worry. Okay. Now, what is GRE? GRE is an acronym for Java Runtime Environment. See, this is JDK. Then inside JDK, there is GRE. And GRE has JVM plus some library classes. So JDK I told you, and then GRE is something which is responsible to provide an environment and to execute, to run that Java code. Okay. To be very specific, JVM runs that one, runs the code. So let's say you are not a developer. Okay. I wrote the Java code and I gave you the .java file. I gave you, sorry, after I gave you the .class file, and then you want to run that one. So if you want to just run that one, you don't need this JDK. You can download only this GRE and you will be able to run the code for that. So JDK is something which is for developers. If you are a developer, you need JDK in order to write the program and in order to run it. But if you want just to run the program, then you can go for GRE. So for our case, we need JDK. Okay. So JVM is an abstract machine, Java virtual machine, and it provides a runtime environment which in which Java bytecode can be executed. Got that? Got that? Cool. So everything is clear till now, right? So at the end, we have to install an IDE. You can go to IntelliJ or you can download STS as well. So you have to install an IDE, and after installing the IDE, we will write our first program. Okay, we'll write our first program. See, the smallest building block in Java application is function or method. जिसको आप function कहते हो JavaScript में, the same thing is called method here. Okay, like the same thing which you call function in Java, JavaScript is called method in Java. Or that. And wait a minute. Yeah, and a method is a block of code that performs a well-defined task. For example, a method for adding two numbers, a method for validating user input, a method for adding two numbers or wow, my bad. Okay. Every Java program should have at least one class which contains the main method or first Java program. So what I'll be doing is, let's say I create a new project. Inside this ID, you have to create a new project, demo 2. See here, you have to select the JDK version and then you have to hit the create this window. And as soon as you hit the create button, see, it created a class. This is class, main class you got here. And inside this main class, you have this main method. Let's write it. This main class, you have to write a method, public static void main. What are these things? We will get to know. Okay, we will get to know. Do not worry about it. We will get to know each and every keyword. What is public? What is static? What is void? Everything. Do not worry. After that, we have to write system dot out dot print ln what hello world. Okay, and then let's run it. Run main class, and whenever you will run it, you will get to see the output in the IDE. So for now, I want you to explore this IDE. What are the different features? What are the different things? And see, here it is. Hello world. So congratulations, you have written the first line, first program of your Java journey, right? Hello world program. Great. So see how IDE supports us. You can write this SOUT, SOUT, and hit enter. It will give you the system.out.println. Okay, everything. IDE is here to assist you. It will make your life really easy. Okay, so that's it. Oops. I hope it wasn't visible, right? Okay, see. You can write here main, and it will come here like this. Do not worry about these things. And then SOUT, and then hello world. Run it, and after that you'll get to see the same thing, just H will be small and W will be small again. Okay, okay, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for your time. And you can give the feedback, valuable feedback of yours. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.